Good morning, everybody. Can you tell I'm going to Disney World in a couple days because it shows up as stuff that I have been recently looking at. But here is the coupons to print for today. Now, I go to the Swagbucks website because you guys get one Swagbuck per coupon, and then you get 10 for everyone you redeem at like a grocery store. But now it looks like you get 50, so you guys can print up to 50 coupons. That's like 50 points. That is awesome. Why not get paid to print coupons and get stuff for free? So we're just gonna dig in and share with you guys what is new. Now it looks like they reset this Bic 2 coupon. I think it wasn't there the other day. Banana boat, scrubbing bubbles, Ziploc, Neutrogena, a lot of those reset. I'm not printing every single one. Here they have $1 off Cascade, which I don't see that very often. $2 off the Clairol Root Touch-Up. $1.75. That's a good coupon. That's brand new, actually. And then here we got $3 off one styling product. Now, I know there is a deal, I know, going at Walmart, or Checkout 51, I think. Here we got 50 cents off of Purex, $1 off of OxyClean, White Renew, $5 off Clairol, Clear Eyes 50 cents, $4 off of Coppertone. Here is $1 off of Frosted. Wait, okay, here you go. Here's some Band-Aids, you guys. Band-Aid coupons that you guys can use at Walmart or Walgreens. Here we got $5 off Garnier, $3 off Clear Eyes, $1 off of all coupons. That's just awesome. $3 off of OxyClean. Here's a $2 off Band-Aid coupon, $1.50 off of Remedies. I'm just going to print that off because sometimes there's some freebies that pop up every once in a while. Here we have $1 off Summer's Eve, which is nice. I will not be getting those coupons, so it's nice to have those. $2 off of Clairol. Here we have $2 off Persil, which I already have. There they got 50 cents off the Band-Aid brand. So if you guys aren't having those $3 off Catalina coupons, you guys could print those and use those. Here's more OxyClean coupons. And I'm just going to print that one off. Let's see what else there is today. I'm going to pay. Not a lot of great coupons, but I'll take anything. And then they just added some yesterday. If you guys follow my Deals by DesignerJen, they added some M&M coupons yesterday, and I did post it on that page for you guys to print. I am not sure if it's still available. Probably because nobody knew about it. We're almost there, you guys. We're almost there. I hate all these stupid ads. They're just worthless. So right here they have $1 off of the crunchy M&Ms, and here they got 50 cents off of 2. So if you guys are interested in that, the $7 off Schick razors, and then these all reset for me. Sorry, you guys can't see. These all reset for me yesterday. So wanted to show you guys those, and hope you guys have a nice day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.